Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 and 5. I'm Luke Halpern. We're doing something a little different this episode. Instead of the week's most read stories, we're counting down the 5 biggest weight management developments from the first half of 2026. The stories that actually changed how pharmacists practice. Let's jump right into it. Kicking things off, one of the most important counseling shifts of the year didn't come from a new drug. It came from a gap in how we talk to patients. As GLP-1 use has exploded, data has made clear that a meaningful share of the weight loss on these agents is lean muscle mass, not just fat. That has real consequences for older adults and anyone already at risk for sarcopenia. Takeaway for pharmacists: resistance training and adequate protein intake need to be a part of every GLP-1 counseling conversation, not an afterthought. At number 4, Eli Lilly's triple hormone receptor agonist retatrutide posted results that stunned even seasoned obesity researchers. In the phase 3 Triumph-1 trial, patients on the 12 milligram dose lost an average of 70 pounds, or better than 28% of their body weight at 80 weeks. And that number climbed to over 30% for higher BMI patients who stayed on treatment through 104 weeks. That's weight loss in the range typically reserved for bariatric surgery. Retatrutide isn't FDA approved yet, but pharmacists should expect it to reshape the top of the anti-obesity ladder once it clears the agency. Coming in at 3, as branded GLP-1 supply stabilized, the FDA moved to close the door on mass compounding that had filled the shortage gap. The agency tightened what qualifies as legitimate compounding justification, putting pharmacies that leaned on compounded semaglutide and tirzepatide during the shortage years on notice. For pharmacists, this meant an immediate operational pivot, reassessing which patients could transition to branded therapy, tightening documentation, and preparing for closer scrutiny of any compounded product still on the shelf. At number 2, Medicare Part D beneficiaries got access to GLP-1 therapy for weight management for the first time through a new bridge program giving eligible patients Wegovy, Zepbound, and Foundayo at a flat $50 copay. This is a genuine breakthrough for access for a population that has largely been shut out of GLP-1 coverage for weight loss alone. But the rollout hasn't been clean. Early claim routing errors have left pharmacists doing real-time troubleshooting, making this as much of an operation story as a clinical one. And the biggest weight management story of the first half of 2026? The FDA approved orforglipron, branded Foundayo, making it the first oral, non-peptide GLP-1 receptor agonist ever approved for chronic weight management. Unlike Rybelsus, this is a small molecule with no food or water restrictions, meaning patients can take it at any time of day. Approved through the FDA's National Priority Voucher Program in record time, orforglipron gives patients who avoided injectables a genuine oral alternative, and it's already reshaping conversations about adherence and access at the counter. That's our first half wrap. From a pill that skips the needle to a Medicare program still working out its kinks, this stretch of 2026 made it clear that weight management is moving faster than almost any other area in pharmacy right now. Thanks for watching Top 5 and 5, and we'll see you in the next episode.